Mom, what are you doing?
ไม่ผัดไทย
What? We're making pad thai.
banana leaf ไง เอาไปอะไรนะ วางบนจาน
What are you? Oh, okay. So you're gonna use this as like a mat or something like
Yes,
that
yes,
for pad thai. Okay, so we're not gonna eat this. Okay then. Let's try this. Okay.
มาทั้งดูแลดิ
Squeeze my juice on there. Hi guys, welcome to our first cooking episode. And my name is Jaina, and this is my mom. Yes, and we are from Thailand. And guys, usually my mom cooks Thai food for me, and I think she is the most wonderful cook I've ever had in my life. And she cooks Thai food for me almost every day, and I'm so lucky. So previously, my friends in America, they have requested for us to make pad Thai or show them how to make pad Thai. So we think it's a good idea to start with this menu. So mom, are you ready?
yes
Okay then, let's go.
yeah are you ready to cook pad thai with me go
Yes.
okay let's start
Okay, so you prepare the ingredients, right?
yes but okay I have to wear glasses
Oh my gosh, okay.
Cannot
see. Okay, so what do we have here?
น้ำมะขาม
Okay, so that's the tamarind that we soaked in water. Okay, so you can use ready-made tamarind juice or tamarind sauce as well. Okay, what else?
water
Okay,
น้
just water. Uh-huh.
ำน้ำปลา
Okay, so this is like your guys' favorite fish sauce.
เกลือ
Okay, so salt. Uh-huh. And then we have palm
น้ำตาลปี๊
sugar.
บ
Yeah, palm sugar.
หัวหอมแดง
Uh-huh, red onion.
กระเทียมสับ
Okay, so we have chopped garlic.
น้ำมัน
Okay, and we have cooking oil. Okay, ready.
we put cooking oil in the pot
Okay, so we use this pot.
and
Okay.
fry garlic
Ooh.
chop garlic
Chopped garlic, yes. Okay.
okay fry until yellow okay
Okay.
now it's go yellow okay
Okay.
I will add Thai people call red onion
Red onion, yes. ไม่ใช่ onion, not onion. Onion. Thai people call it onion.
I put 2 cup because I like very much
Okay, so you add more onion just because you love onions.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if some people allergy with garlic don't have to use it okay
With onion or with
with the garlic
garlic, right?
we can use one of them okay
Just use onions only. If you want
and then
to.
only ก็ได้
Okay. All right. Smells so good, by the way, already.
smell good it start yellow also
Turn brown now.
Turn brown, yes.
Turning brown now.
brown
Okay, so-
next we will pour
We're gonna pour tamarind juice, yeah? Wow. And what's the measurement on this one?
1 cup
1 cup, one big cup.
one big cup okay
One huge cup. Okay, so Thai style here.
Yeah.
No exact measurement, but just eyeballing it.
okay and next we will add palm sugar
Okay, palm sugar.
1 small cup
Okay. All right.
1 small cup
So normally Thai people love pad Thai really sweet, right?
yeah we do sweet sour and salt
Yes. That's one thing with
Okay.
Thai food. All kinds
and
of
we don't
flavor.
have to wait we can add fish sauce
Okay. What if they don't like
very
fish
small
sauce?
cup
Yeah. What if they don't like fish sauce, Mom?
yeah if they don't like fish sauce can use a
Okay.
little bit salt
Okay, so if you guys don't like fish sauce, you can just substitute with
Yeah.
salt.
somebody don't like smell you know
Yeah, it's
and that's
quite
why I put a little bit fish sauce
Uh-huh.
almost ready. Okay, I will taste it. I will taste.
Okay. What do you think?
I think a bit sour because it's a tamarind. This kind of tamarind is very sour. I
Okay.
think we have to add more sugar. I will use brown sugar because I like the taste.
Okay. So like it to be a bit more sweet because it's too sour, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're just gonna stir it until thickening. Okay.
Jenna, would you like to try?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. How is this?
Okay. Wait. This is so hard to balance the camera and spoon at the same time. I'm talented. Okay. I think it's good, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, delish.
Very important. Okay, before you cook, okay, you have to soak for about at least 15 minutes.
Yes, okay. So we soak rice noodles for at least 15 minutes.
Because จะไม่นิ่ม
Okay. So the soak is
soak.
you understand that.
Okay, now the pan is get start hot. Okay, first we're going to cook shrimp. Okay,
Okay. Cook
today I
shrimps.
will cook pad Thai, shrimp and chicken
Which-
because I like to eat both.
Okay. So hungry already. I wish we can just skip.
ใจเย็น
ใจเย็นๆ mean like just be patient, right?
ๆ patient อร่อยชัวร์
See, she loves cooking. You can just see from her face. And I love eating. You should see my face too.
Okay, shrimp is ready.
I'm ready to.
Yeah, we're gonna keep. Now we start to cook pad Thai. Okay, we put oil again.
Okay.
And we put tofu,
Okay, so
grilled tofu.
yeah, so this is the hard type. Hard tofu.
Yeah, if you don't have like this, you can have white tofu. It's almost done.
Almost done.
Yeah, almost yellow. 1 second. Okay, it's yellow now. Now we have to add chicken.
Okay, so if you are vegetarians, you can just
Just use tofu
yeah,
only.
just tofu.
Okay, chicken is done now. I'm going to put rice shrimp. Rice shrimp no color. Usually Thai people use color in there, but okay, this
yeah.
is white shrimp.
Normally
No
they are
color.
like pink colors.
Yeah, to make it beautiful, but okay, white shrimp is safe, you know.
Yeah, no color added.
Okay.
Okay, now we start to
Yeah.
add noodle.
Okay, that's fine.
Noodle.
Garlic hard.
Too much. Okay.
Rice noodles. Okay.
And we add water. It makes noodles soft.
Ah.
See?
Yeah.
And next time you can cook yourself, Jenna.
I can cook myself. No. Please cook for me.
When I old, you have to cook for me. Okay?
Yeah, okay, when you're old. And how old is when you're old?
Maybe about 85 years.
85? Okay.
Now I still young.
Okay guys, so I have to use my vlog camera now because the battery on the other camera is dying, and yes, I did not prepare and charge another battery. So anyways, we'll use my vlogging camera here. So let's continue on.
Okay, now it's when the noodle is getting dry. Okay, we're gonna add everything that we have, like a little bit pepper.
Pepper, yes, red
Yeah.
pepper.
Red pepper.
Should be spicy, but if you don't like, you know, your food or pad thai to be too spicy, just add a little or don't add.
We're going to add it. Okay.
Oil, okay.
Yeah, put oil first. It's not stick on the pan.
Right.
Now I use 2 eggs because this plate I made for 2 people. And we like to eat eggs.
Yes, we love eggs.
More eggs, more delicious. Okay. Now we stir it. Okay. We turn. Yeah.
Looks nice.
Red almost. Now we're going to add
What's that? Crushed peanuts?
peanut.
Yes. That's what made pad thai. Tastes like pad thai.
And sprout.
Bean sprouts, yes.
Sprout. Here.
Mhm.
Okay. And onion or
Spring onions, or you can
garlic.
say
ต้น
green
ต้นอะไรกระ
onions.
เทียมก็ได้นะ And turn off.
Ah, okay.
Off.
Turn off. Looking so good. I'm in love.
Would you like to taste, Jenna?
Maybe you can taste first.
Maybe taste.
I'll taste it when you finish. Okay. Ooh,
Ooh, it's
hot.
just right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we're gonna taste. Okay. Oh, maybe too much.
Yeah, that's your banana leaf that we don't eat.
And eat for family.
Yeah, I don't think between two of us, I don't think we can finish it.
For whole family.
Maybe this is for like maybe 3 or 4 servings, I would say. สำหรับ 3-4 คนเนาะ Ooh, that's the shrimps. Wow.
Ooh.
Looking beautiful.
Okay. And we can add this.
To decorate the dish.
If people like more
Peanuts. And then
if people like more
spice.
spicy, and we can add this
Lime.
lime.
Yes. Ooh, looking good. I'm going like really close. And you can just see the hot steam still. Still really hot. Can you see that? I hope you don't watch this in the evening because you might get really hungry. Ooh, that looks so good. Let's try this. Okay.
มาท่านดูไรดีเสร็จอะไรนะบีบมะนาวภาษาอังกฤษว่าอะไรนะ
Mom, come back a little bit more so they can see ya.
บีบมะนาว
Okay, squeeze lime juice over there.
เดี๋ยวก่อน
Okay.
โอเคมามัมฟีดอยู่
Mama, feed me. Like a baby bird. Oh my gosh.
ฮอต yummyเงา
so good.
ชิคเก้นไหมเอ้ยไหนชิมเนาะชิคเก้นดีกว่า
What's so good? Let me go. Oh, this is so good. So, guys, this is our pad thai of my mom's style. Try it and let us know if you try it and what do you think.
อร่อย
But for now, bye mom. I'm gonna go.
Please like subscribe